Hey friends, today we're going to continue with our Midwest packet. We're going to be talking about natural resources that are in the region, the Midwest region. So we're going to do a little bit of reading and then you have a few questions down below. Okay, maybe have your highlighter out in case we highlight some important things. Okay, the Midwest has lots of natural resources such as water. So this is our region, guys. This is an important thing. If we could highlight that first sentence. The Midwest has lots of natural resources such as water, fertile soil, lumber, and minerals. These resources, along with its climate, make the Midwest an excellent location for farming and manufacturing. The water from nearby lakes, rivers, or wells is used by farmers to grow crops, and these rivers and lakes are also important for transportation. Corn, wheat, and soybeans are the main crops that are grown in our region. See, you learned something. Corn, wheat, and soybeans. Most of the corn in the Midwest is grown along its eastern part, mainly in Iowa and Illinois. Okay. Once the corn is harvested, it is sold for consumption. That means it's sold so that you can eat it, but also to manufacture other products such as corn syrup, glue, and soaps. Wheat is mainly produced in Kansas and North Dakota. Okay, they have a picture there of a tractor harvesting wheat. These are suitable areas to grow these crops as there is not much rainfall and the environment is perfect for growing these crops. The wheat is used to make flour, which in turn is used to produce bread, pasta, and cakes. We're right here. Minnesota, Kansas, and North Dakota are famous for their dairy products such as milk, cheese, and butter. Grass easily grows in this area, which makes it a perfect place to feed cattle. The most important minerals that can be found in the Midwest include lead, iron, copper, coal, and limestone. These resources are used to make batteries, computers, cars, planes, and many other things. And they have a picture of a iron ore rock there. So you have some questions at the bottom that you're going to find the answers up in the reading. Okay, I'm going to give you a few tips and tell you that there are certain ones down here where you need to write more than one word. Okay. So number one is just one word. Number two, you are going to write 3 states. Okay, 3 states. And number 3 is just one word. I'm not writing anything if it's just one word. Number 4 is one word. Number 5 is 3 words, 3 things that wheat is used to make. Okay, and number 6 is one word, and number 7 is 3 words. Okay, 3 words. Corn is used to produce 3 things that you can write down. There might actually be more, but you need to write 3. So those are your directions for today. If you are doing these and you want to highlight more than I did, you can do that too. Okay, but this is our page for today.